Hello, this is Bessie Lisbeth Show Tapon. I'm a medical doctor in the Philippines, but here I'm trying to do this video to help inspire people, to give them some information that can be useful in our lives. You know, all of us have our own challenges, and we would like to be prepared for the unexpected. And here I am doing this to really promote my slogan that the Holy Trinity cares for all of us. The God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit wants us to be healthy physically, emotionally, spiritually, and financially. And they want us to um, be happy, live our lives in a happy attitude, because that helps us. It helps us to be in good mood all the time, give us good attitudes, and keep us connected with our maker, our creator. So let me do this again. I'm really very passionate about this living benefits, life insurance. If you want to find out more information, give me a call or message me. And there are a lot in the internet too. But give me a call and join my team. So of Crusaders. I find this like a crusade, really. You know. Um, so life insurance with living benefits, it gives us protection for when life happens, when unexpected life event happens to us, like what happened to me and my family. I hope I have this living benefit, you know. So I'm very passionate because I don't want people to go through the same thing that I went through. So protection when life happens. Life can throw you a lot of curveballs, and catching them isn't easy. That's where life insurance can help. All insurance policies can protect you in the event of unexpected death. But life insurance from National Life Group also offers living benefits to protect you and your family, and that you don't have to die to use it. In addition to a death benefit, your policy has you covered if you experience a qualifying terminal, chronic, or critical illness or critical injury. Additional riders can also provide guaranteed income for retirement. At the end of the day, life insurance is about protecting what matters most. Let me see. And here it says 52% of American adults have life insurance. 39% of insured Americans wish they had purchased their policies at a younger age. 42% of families would face financial hardship within 6 months of the events of the death of a wage earner. And 102 million Americans are uninsured and underinsured. So we are here to do life with you. When you die too soon, you become ill, or you live too long. Together, let's create a plan to achieve peace of mind. Keeping your legacy alive by protecting what matters most to you. Providing a financial resource in the event of a qualifying health emergency. Creating a potential source of income in retirement. If you die too soon, more than 50% of American households rely on two income streams. The average American will leave behind 61,000 in death. Protecting legacy. As an individual or a business owner, death benefit protection helps you leave a legacy, not a liability. Whether your legacy will be here for your family, business, or charitable contribution, life insurance can help protect what matters most. Your policy's death benefit helps to keep what you leave behind alive with financial protection for today while planning for a secure future. And 50% of people overestimate the cost of life insurance. One in four, about 26%, insured Americans only have group or employer-sponsored covered that may not provide adequate coverage and will not go with them when they retire or leave the company. When you become ill, 39%, over 39% of Americans will be diagnosed with cancer in their lifetime. Fully half of Americans now carry medical debt, up to 46% in 2020. So living benefits are about living. With living benefits, life insurance is more than protecting what you leave behind at death, but also financial support during the unexpected. Accelerated benefit riders or ABRs are optional. No additional cost riders that can allow you to access a discounted portion of your death benefit while living if you experience a qualifying terminal, chronic, or critical illness or injury. Since ABRs are generally unrestricted, once you qualify, you can use the money for any reason, while the funds are commonly used to cover expenses related to a specific severe medical condition. Benefits might also be used for, but not limited to, household expenses, all adult daycare, home modifications, regular bills, and home and assisted living. Your safety net for the unexpected. If you are diagnosed with a terminal illness with a life expectancy of 24 months or less, you can elect to receive a discounted payment of your death benefit. There's no waiting period for to be eligible for a payment which will be made to you as a lump sum. While there is not an annual limit, there is a lifetime limit of benefits you can receive from all ABRs. There's no additional charge for these riders. Let me see this so I don't have to click on. So cognitive impairment. If a doctor certifies you have become cognitively impaired within the last 12 months, you will become eligible for a benefit. Cognitive impairment requires substantial supervision to protect oneself due to short or long term memory impairment, loss of orientation to people, places, or time, deductive or abstract reasoning impairment. In, in either situation, you do not have to be in a licensed facility to be eligible for benefits. Normally, benefits are applied for and paid annually until the death benefit is depleted. Monies may be used for any reason except in Massachusetts. They do not have to be used solely for medical expenses. Let's put this up. Ay, ay, ay. I'm getting be like my Lola. Now, chronic illness after the rider has been in force for 30 days, if you become unable to perform two of the six activities of daily living, ADLs, or become cognitively impaired, you will be eligible to receive a benefit. While there may not be an annual limit, there is a lifetime limit of benefits you can receive from all ABRs. There is no additional charge for this rider. Two of the six ADLs dependency. If a doctor certifies you unable to perform two of the six ADL listed below without assistance for a period of 90 days, you will become eligible for the benefit. Activities of daily living include bathing, continence, dressing, eating, toileting, and transferring. Now, critical illness. Let's go to critical illness. Critical illness, after the rider has been in force for 30 days, if you are diagnosed with a qualifying condition, you will be eligible to receive a discounted portion of your death benefit. You may take all or part of the amount offered. The benefit paid is based on the of the impact the condition has had on your life expectancy. While there is not an annual limit, there is a lifetime limit of benefits you can receive from all ABRs. There is no additional charge for this rider. Qualifying illness include ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease, aorta graft surgery, aplastic anemia, blindness even with just one eye, cancer even it's just stage 1, cystic fibrosis, end-stage renal disease, heart attack, heart valve replacement, major organ transplant, motor neuron disease, stroke, sudden cardiac arrest. Let me see. Any claim for benefits for a given qualifying event must be filed within 365 days, that's a year, following occurrence of such qualifying event. Critical injury after the rider has been in force for 30 days, just a month. If you are diagnosed with a qualifying condition as a result of an injury, you will be eligible to receive a discounted portion of your death benefit. You may take all or part of the amount offered. The benefit paid is based on the impact the condition has had on your life expectancy. There is no there's not an annual limit. There is a lifetime limit of benefits you can receive from all ABRs. There is no additional charge for this rider. So, example of the critical injury is coma, paralysis, severe burns, traumatic brain injury. Any claim for benefits for a given qualifying event must must be filed within 365 days following the occurrence of the qualifying event. Please refer to additional state-specific information and other disclosures at the end of this brochure for expectation important information. So, these are the accelerated benefit riders is not a long-term care insurance. These are more. Let me see. If you live too long, 70% of individuals who reach age 65 will need long-term care at some point. The yearly benefit from Social Security expected to be 19,000 per year. So retire with confidence, with accessing cash value, lifetime income benefit rider, which will, debt pay off, housing expenses, long-term care, regular bills, vacation, and travel. A quarter of US adults have no retirement savings, and only 36% feel their retirement planning is on track. So there's peace of mind knowing you're not alone. From issuing your policy to filing a claim, we are with you every step of the way. So that's it, folks, for now. But let me just see you the front of some of the brochures we have. Protecting the ones who depend on you. Uh, you're devoted to protecting your country. We are devoted to helping you protect the people you love the most. So National Life has traditionally waived the war clause in its policies and paid death benefits even on those who were killed or missing in action. Pretty good. Pretty good. So let me see my other brochures here. Oh, this is Spanish. Insurance for your child. So you could also use this through loans and withdrawals. Your child policy could be used to help pay education costs, help pay for a wedding, provide a down payment for the first home, and the policy death benefit can even be accelerated to use in the event of a devastating illness. So let's see. I think I'm done with that. Who needs life insurance? The answer is simply you and me. So give me a call. Let's be a team. Let's share this crusade. He said, let's remove the, you know, what do you call it, ignorance. Let's share the information so people can do a intelligent choice. Okay, bye bye.